Hello, my name is Oren from CompuMatter, and this video is a tutorial on the download and setup process of LibreOffice. In your browser, go ahead and type in LibreOffice in the search bar. This works on Safari, Firefox, Google Chrome, Edge, whatever browser you have, and click on the first result on the top that's from LibreOffice.org. They'll have a download button you can press, and from here there is a drop-down menu that allows you to choose your operating system. In my case, I'm running Windows 64-bit, so I'll click on that, followed by the yellow download button. From here, you'll see your download should begin shortly. You don't have to click anything else after that, just wait and see if you see a download indication here at the bottom left or on the top right of your screen somewhere. When it's finished downloading, you can click on it, otherwise navigate to your downloads folder in your File Explorer. When you double click on it and open it up, the installation wizard will begin setting up. You can hit the next button when it prompts you to. I'd recommend leaving it on typical and hitting next, and I will leave this shortcut enabled and hit install. This next overlay won't show on my screen here, but you'll see a pop-up that'll ask you yes or no potentially. You'll just hit yes to give it permission, and then it will validate the installation. This process might take some time depending on the speed of your machine. In my case, it had some programs that it requests that I close before proceeding. I selected close the applications and attempt to restart them. But in my case, it's telling me that it was unable to automatically do it and it will need to be manually closed down. So I'm just going to go over here. It said Chrome and my other program 8x8, so I'm just going to hit the red X and close them down. And when I'm done with that, I will hit the OK button. From here, it'll continue on its way. And it's all good to go. It has now successfully installed LibreOffice on my machine, and I can open the shortcut on my desktop or navigate to the Applications menu to open it from there. In my case, it wants to reboot my computer. You can click yes if you have nothing to save, but in my case, I want to keep going, so I'll hit no and reboot later. And just as an example, this is what LibreWriter looks like after being freshly installed. If you have any other questions on this topic, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, enjoy your LibreOffice product.